Hello everyone, welcome back and happy to see you on Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove iOS 14.6 beta 3 profile or any profile, beta profile from your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. To remove iOS 14.6 beta 3 profile, we have to go to settings, and under settings tap on general, and under general we have to tap on profiles, and we have to find the beta profile and tap on iOS beta software profile and tap remove profile, put your iPhone passcode and tap again remove to confirm your action. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it and tap on not now. Now force close the setting app and launch again settings, then tap general and tap software update, and you are successfully removed the iOS beta profile, iOS 14.6 beta 3 profile from your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.